Hey guys, Big Dude 707 here. I'm playing Action Bowling number 2 on my older iPhone 5S. Anyways, settings, information. See what version of this game is. This is on newer higher iOS. But I want to show you something. Main menu, practice. Let's see the 710 for example. There's a bug in this game in practice mode. Done. Watch this. See, if you throw them together like that, the ball becomes a laser. No joke. But it will help you make those big splits in practice mode. I'm not too sure about regular mode though, but let's see if we can make it on camera.
Yeah, quite the time this way. Cheats the opponent's way of make it. But yeah, no jump in. The ball jumps out together. It's a pin, it has to be zero. That's the rule. Especially making turn play. I can move that there. Keep going. Still going. Keep going. Oh, almost. And the 5-7-10 one. This way too, here we go. Oh, almost. It's on the 7-10. Not quite. It's like using a 1 pound ball with barrel intent, you can't use that, otherwise just go. See? All the way down to the approach. Ball goes all the way down, up the lane to the approach. Right past it too. Some of these things on video doesn't seem to really happen all the time, or less frequently, but still, watch. Almost. Ball back on the deck. Ball back on the deck. Keep going. It'll happen. Just wait. I'm not gonna count how many times I'm going, but I'll show you how it's done. See? Let's go bring the 5-7-10 this way too. Okay, I'm trying to focus. Here's the other way. Here we go. Almost.
It's still in the pit though, it's not coming up the lane. There. Oh! It remains standing, but in reality, there we go. Almost. There we go. Got it. Okay, I think that'll be it, folks. Thanks for watching.